over there, yeah. There's
I know, but I'm trying to get it without Spaniards in the shot.
This is the entrance here. Yeah. And this is many objects. There are more than 4,500 objects discovered here. With workshop for the sculpture to make the bust.
Yeah, 88.
So you're saying the busts were made there in the workshop?
Yeah, and
They were held here in this
exactly,
house?
yeah, in this area.
And what was the room?
This
Was
area,
it
exactly.
this room, the
This
entry
room, yeah.
room? or
Show me
this-
exactly.
This here is the bust of Nefertiti was here exactly.
So that is where the Nefertiti Bust
That's
was
what
found?
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Well, that's what he said.
For funding for
Always-
this, you know. So
always the
and
money.
we will clean the grade again, and for sure we will find another object.
Oh, I bet you will.
Action.
Cardboard. Nick, that's where it was sitting. It was on the cardboard.
It was on the cardboard, that's how it was protected.
It's amazing they found it here, the intact statue here, and there were other broken statues over here. How is it possible? It seems too extraordinary to me that it was intact, but this is where it was found, so we're going to go for it. That's the word. The experts say it was found intact right here. This is Lynn's archaeological moment. Have you found anything yet, Lynn?
It takes time.
Okay.
我们现在是在Nefertiti的头像发现的现场，然后我们现在所在的这一片呢，就是创造这个头像的艺术家 Thutmose 的一个工作室。当时这个头像就是在这个地方被发现的。据说呢，这个头像是陈列在艺术家的陈列厅里面，他从陈列的这个地方掉下来以后，掉到了这个地方，然后一个德国的考古学家在这个地方挖掘了一段时间以后，发现了这个头像。头像非常完整，颜色非常鲜艳，现在是埃及和德国的国宝。我们非常有幸能够来到这个考古现场。
Now dig really fast.
Why?
Just pretend like maybe there's still something here.
也许这下面还有另外一个头像，谁说的准呢？所以我们要继续挖。
Okay.